So as I mentioned before, I wanted to do some more generic tips that can be used on all devices, not just on the Pixel 2 XL or the OnePlus 5 phones, but with more of a focus on the Xposed framework and the features that we can get from all of the modules. So as long as you have an Xposed framework installed, which I have a lot of tutorials about how to do that on my website, which will be linked below this video. And then you'll need to go ahead and install GravityBox to get this feature. Because today I'm going to be talking about a feature called the blurred lock screen. So in the lock screen tweaks, we can see the background style is set to the default wallpaper, which of course means that whenever you look at the wallpaper, it's going to be your default wallpaper. However, whenever we tap on the background style, we have some other options here like color fill. We have a custom image, which we can set to a custom image. And then we have the last screen. Now, each of these options are, except for the default wallpaper, come with a blur effect checkbox. If you don't want blur effect, then you can uncheck that. But if you want the blur effect, then you can check that right there. And then we can have this slider to adjust the intensity of the blur effect. And this is just going to show us our last screen that we had on the lock screen. So for example, if I locked my device on this settings page, now whenever I unlock the device, it's going to show that last screen and it's going to be blurred. And again, we can adjust the blur intensity. So we can see a little more information if you wanted to. Or we could bring it all the way up to the right so that the blur effect is more transparent and then you really can't see the text. This should work on all pages. So whether you are in Magisk and you lock the screen on Magisk, whenever you unlock it, you will see Magisk there. So work with any of your applications like your music player, a website with Chrome or another browser, and even your home screen. Because again, that is the last screen that the phone sees. So whenever you lock it and then unlock it, you're going to see that last screen and it's going to be blurred. It's just one of those very popular features that comes with a number of custom ROMs. And you can add that to your own phone without using a custom ROM, as long as you have Xposed installer and GravityBox module installed.